Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Didi, and if you're joining us for the first time, don't forget to like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first person to be notified once I drop a new video. So today I'll be teaching you all how to put a text at the back of your video. I know a lot of people have been having this issue. I'm going to be showing you all what I mean. So as you can see, there's a text "let's dance" at the back of the lady that is dancing, not in front like this. You see? So I'll teach you all how to create this. Are we ready? Don't forget, this is with your phone. You don't need a laptop, you don't need all this shit. You need just your phone. So let's start it. So the first thing you need to do is download your Capcut, because that's what I'll be making use in this video. Once you download it, you don't need to sign to the pro. This is just the free mode. Do you understand? Then you click on new project. Click on the video you want to edit. So you click on, if this is the video you want to edit, and you click on add. Okay, so I'm going to type in anything I want to type in right now. So let me just write "let's do it now." So let's assume you're blogging and you wanted to like say something. So you are the person that knows what you want to write. You can put effects, you can put color, you can work with color. So you can work with colors, you can play around with anything you want to do. So you can also do a lot of editing if you want to edit the text. So maybe if you're creating for something or for someone and you want to add something, it's up to you. You know what you want to write, as I said earlier. So I'll click good. So I'll make sure this. Let me just stop this video here. I don't want the video long. I'm sorry if your video is long. I don't know. I just, for the sake of the tutorial, I'm not going to be making this video long. So I need to do is just drag this to this place and stop. So yes, save it. Yeah, you heard me. Save it. Okay, so once you're done, and you'll be like, okay, so what's the next thing to do? Nothing. All you need to do is go back and add the same video you save right now to your Capcut. Do you understand? Remember, we still have this old one. Click on text so we can delete this. Click on the video that we once edited. Do you understand? Look for overlay. Let's look for overlay. So you see it here. So you click on it, then drag the video back. So if you notice, we are no longer seeing the text at all, right? Because this background is covering this background. So what do I need to do? Exactly, remove this background. Don't worry, Capcut made it easier for us. All I need to do is go to remove background, click on auto remove, allow it to load. Voila. So once it's loaded, don't forget to start video here so that it will not be noticeable that this is two videos. This is two videos, but why it's not noticeable is the fact that we combine it together and it's synchronizing nice. So imagine if I put this person here. So imagine, so you see that it's going to see the difference. You see, it shows that two persons are dancing in the background. But since I started it from the beginning, so that's why you have to make sure you edit the second video very well so that it will not be noticeable, so that they will start at the same time. So you see, let's do it now. So that's it, guys. So all you need to do now, play around with your video, do what you want to do, and give me a feedback on the comments if you're able to do this. If you're having issue doing this, let me know immediately so I'll help you sort it out. You know what's going on. I'm here for you all together. I'm here for everybody. You don't have to worry, you don't have to be ashamed. Just bring out, if you're having issue, just tell me where your issue is, and trust me, I'll help you sort it. Thank you once again for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to share. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first person to be notified once I drop a new video. I love you all once again. Bye.